Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how you can easily download and install Darwinbox application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store from your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Darwinbox. Look for the Darwinbox application from Darwinbox Digital Solution Private Limited. Tap the install button to start downloading the app on your Android, which will take a couple of minutes to complete. Darwinbox is a cloud-based HRMS platform that caters to all of your human resources needs across the employee lifecycle. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, tap on the Open button to launch open Darwinbox on your Android phone. And that's how you can easily download and install Darwinbox on your Android. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and make sure and give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.